What up, GioVentures? Today we're here at the Sawgrass Recreation Park, and we're gonna go and ride some airboats, and we're gonna check out some animals. Let's do it.
GioVentures.
The Everglades, this is not a swamp. This is a river, all right? This is also our freshwater source. This water flows south, it empties into the Gulf at the end of the state. It also goes down underground and is collected in an aquifer where cities pump their water from. This water is supplying southern Palm Beach County, that's behind me, that's north, all the way through the Florida Keys, millions of people. So think about it tonight, when you turn on the tap and take a shower, you're bathing with the alligators and everything else out here. There's no grass out here. That short stuff we were running through, that's called needle grass, and that is a reed. Sawgrass is right here next to me. So I'm going to break off a piece, come forward. And this stuff that's right next to us, that's called maiden cane. It's part of the cane family. That's cattail, the wide-banded green plant. That won't hurt you. Just whack as we're going by. This one is the culprits. The teeth run on both front parts of the plant and on the back. Now you can draw your fingers up it. You can't slide them down. It'll slice you open. The teeth break off in your skin. It's very irritating. And the plant is actually designed to draw dew and moisture down to the root of the plant when there's drought, which we have. An individual piece is called a glade, hence the Everglades.
let's go and check out the animal exhibits.
How's everybody doing today? Good? Let's try that again. How's everybody doing today? Good? Yeah. Awesome. My name is Troy. I'm one of the reptile keepers here. Welcome to the park. This is my baby. I don't have a name for him. It's my first day. Anybody have a name? I'm gonna choose the best one. There you go, Fluffy. Fluffy.
That ain't Fluffy.
Well, he's nice, so we're gonna call him Fluffy. So this is Mr. Fluffy right here. As far as holding these guys, he's already taped up, so again, sticky side up. There is no sticky residue left on the actual animal. Once I'm done, slip it off, get this kit back in. As far as holding these guys, we're gonna have one hand on their chest, one hand on the base of their tail. As I hand them off to you guys, please be sure to hand them back to me, and we move on to the next individual. With the children, I will be assisting. However, my most important rule, if he decides to wiggle or squirm, do not drop the baby, okay guys? Don't drop the baby. And although they are cute and it may be tempting, please, no kisses and don't hold them close to your face like this, because in fact their head is just skin and bone. They can knock out a tooth, breaking those fairly easy. So with that being stated, there is hand sanitizer on both ends, as well as the donation box in the middle. Again, donations are greatly appreciated. Help us caring for these guys, and we are a rescue facility. As of right now, I'm gonna start off with the children. Then I'm gonna work my way up to the big kids, okay guys? See how that feels. Alright, so now the big question. Do you want to hold them with me? Because I won't force you. Alright, say less.
So cool. Look how much there is. That. Look at him. Sawgrass Recreation Park. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. See ya. Bye.